we file a motion for reconsideration. And of course, we're also setting into play two other strategies for this purpose. No? We are looking at the transcript of records of the trial and to see if there was any bias on the part of those who laid out the decision for bail. And the other side of it is, of course, to enlighten them that the evidence is very, very much connected to each other. What holds for him should hold for the other co-accused, 21 other co-accused. Kaya, ba't isa lang ang binigyan ng bail? Sana lahat binigyan ng bail. Kung talagang wala kaming ebidensya. Kaya, ito ba yung kaso na may tinitingnan, may tinititigan? In other words, is it a biased one? No, but we're not concluding anything. We're not concluding anything. But we just want to enlighten the court about what's happening or what may have missed in the process of granting bail. Kasi nga, 21 yung accused di ba? Di kung ang isa pwede, dapat lahat yan pwede. Pero it's already too much. Remember, the anti-plunder law looks at patterns. It doesn't ask for every detail. It just looks for the pattern to be able to prove the case. It's specifically so stated in the law. That's why we may have to enlighten the court again about our point of view on the Revilla bail ruling.